There we go. What up, YouTube? What's going on, YouTube? I hope you guys are doing well. So, nothing crazy today. It's currently 2:30 in the afternoon. Got off work a little bit early. It's like, I don't know, it's like 44 degrees, so it's a little chilly, I ain't gonna lie, but the sun's out, so I figured I would take the extra long way to the gas station, even though I have a gas station right here, right? So yeah, that's all we're doing. We're just gonna do like, this is gonna be another short little video. I'm just gonna keep popping out short little videos until full-time good weather comes out and we can actually get some entertaining videos, because right now, I mean, the mountains are still a little sus out here where I live, so I can't go do any like canyon ripping. I actually did try to record a video the other day, like maybe 2 days ago. Did the same thing, got off a little bit early and took the bike out, but I only got like little 30-40 second clippets of my videos, you know. Oh my god, I keep choking. Sorry. Ended up doing some research, found out it was my battery, so I guess you could say this is another test run. Put a new battery in that biatch, and we're still going. We're still recording so far, so we'll see if it lasts the whole 10 minutes. I want some music. It's music time. Also trying a ND32 on the GoPro, which might have been a bad call because it's a little cloudy out. It's a little cloudy. Next song. Oh, this is okay. I can get on board with this. Some schoolboy Q. Yo, bud. destination like stupid quick. Oh man. Alright boys, girls, whoever's watching this. What is this place? Rocket. We're gonna go in here to Rocket. Bye baby. I'll be back in like 30 seconds. How's it going, man? Alright. What do we want? What do we want? Let's get us raspberry. Alright. Let's wiggle. I decided I was gonna take the highway back, you know, and just fucking, oops, excuse my profanity, just rip it home like we did on the way over here, but decided I would take the longer route. God, I keep checking, sorry guys, I keep checking my camera. Like, it was really disappointing when I tried to record that video the other day and it was all in like little 30-second snippets, just kept turning on and off. So I apologize if I keep looking. So I may or may not have bought the Insta 360, Insta X 360, whatever the hell it's called. So yeah, we got that coming in. One thing I didn't really think about when I bought it until after the fact, when I started looking into it more, was like, I want to go this way, I guess, is the fact that like I'm gonna have to set up some sort of external mic to be able to record audio through it, if that makes sense. Like, I won't be able to be talking to you guys, oh my god, like I am right now. And yeah, I don't know, I might just be lazy with it, to be honest, and just kind of put the GoPro, oh dude, I didn't even look where I'm gonna mount it. Maybe on the, probably on the mirror. I don't remember what I was saying, but yeah, I might just get lazy with it and just put like random clips from my rides that I get on the 360 into the videos with this camera. I don't necessarily want to stop recording videos on the chin mount, because I still really like the chin mount view, you know. Oh, that windshield's cold. That 40 degrees is starting to show. For anybody that's still watching, I appreciate it more than you know. You know, we're gonna try to oh my god, it's so cold. It's actually getting really cold. I'm like stuttering. I don't even know what the hell I'm saying, but yeah, I don't even remember what I was saying, but yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. yeah, for anybody that's been watching this far, appreciate it. Oh, that's what I was saying. I'm just gonna try to grow the channel more this year, you know, more than I did when I had the R7. You know, and still on this bike, like, I mean, I work full-time job, 12-hour shifts. It's hard to find time to upload. But yeah, until the next upload, hopefully I'll see you guys on the 360 cam, and I hope you guys take it easy. All right, peace out.